So big fellas, streetwear right now is one of the more popular styles of dress. You see it from the likes of guys to Kanye West all the way to Justin Bieber. Streetwear is here and it is here to stay. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna give you my top 10 streetwear essentials that you can go out and buy right now. So let's go. So what's up, big fellas? Thank you guys for tuning in to another episode of my channel. And if you like the content and the information, go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well as that bell notification icon so that you're notified any and every time I drop some of the heat. And also follow me on Instagram at Dondrick_Ray. Now, let's jump into the content. So number one on my list, I would say, is the skinny or slim jeans. Now they're coming out with the huge 90s style baggy jeans, and some people in the industry are rocking them, but I'm gonna be honest with you, I hate them. And skinny and slim jeans have not gone out of style. They're still hanging on by dear life. And they're more aesthetically pleasing than to just look like you're wearing a ninja outfit. So the skinny and slim jeans is what I got for number one. Number two is the plaid pants. Now these pants have gained a lot of traction, and it's sad because you can't find many brands who actually manufacture plaid pants for big and tall men. You may have a couple like ASOS and River Island, and some of you out there may be able to fit a pair of Fashion Nova plaid pants. But I see little to no representation in this area, so brands, come on and step up your game and give us some plaid pants. Number three is a trend that I don't necessarily think is all that. I actually think it looks better on smaller people, but some bigger people, depending on your build, can get away with it, and it's the oversized shirts. This trend has started to gain traction last year, and it's really moving forward this year. And things are starting to begin to get extremely oversized, which is interesting. But this is one of those things that I'm putting on the list just because you can't say I didn't tell you. Number four on my list will never go out of style, and that is the hoodie. Whether it is zip up, half zip, full zip, or if it's just a pullover, the hoodie will never go out of style. I personally suggest you stay away from bold patterns and prints because I want you guys to be able to buy something and rock it for years to come, because these patterns and these bold prints are here for a season and then they're gone the next. And especially if you're a hype beast, you find out that you paid $800 on a hoodie that you can only wear for a season. That don't seem like a good investment to me. So I suggest that you buy hoodies that you can wear for years to come. Next on the list is the Chelsea boot, and I'm already developing and starting to make a video on the Chelsea boot, so stay tuned for that. But the Chelsea boot, it has been in for a couple of years, and I really don't see it stopping anytime soon. The only thing about the Chelsea boot is that if you're gonna rock it, you have to rock a slim pair or a skinny pair of jeans, especially at the ankle, because you want those jeans to fall perfectly over those boots. Next on the list is something that I gotta go out and get, and I don't even own yet, but it's a biker jacket. I've been in the market for a biker jacket for a while, but I haven't been able to find one that is really pleasing for me for a big and tall man. So as soon as I find one, I'll bring it back on here, I'll review it, and I'll let you guys know what I think. Well, for now, number six will remain the biker jacket. Number seven on my list is gaining a lot of traction, and those are the cargo pants. These are actually a nice change of pace to your more traditional pair of jeans or your chinos. So go ahead and mix it up and find a nice pair of cargo pants that fit well and are also aesthetically pleasing to you. Number eight is the short sleeve woven top. Now you can find different patterns for this, whether it's a natural pattern like a flower or some kind of plants, or you can find polka dots or squares. Really, when it comes to these woven tops, there are so many different kinds of patterns. But fellas, stay away from those cartoons. I shouldn't be walking down the street and see somebody in a Dragon Ball Z woven top. Leave that for your graffiti or your novelty t-shirts. Number nine is going to be the denim Sherpa jacket. I do own a couple of these, and these things can really take a normal outfit and just kick it up a notch. These denim Sherpa jackets are jackets that I believe that you're going to be able to wear for years to come. Last but not least are the 90s/dad shoes. A lot of these 90s kicks are coming back, but the most interesting ones are like the dad style of shoes. Puma has some dope ones, as well as Nikes, and Adidas also have some dope ones. So don't trip if you can't go out and buy an expensive pair of Balenciagas. And you can for sure find some under $100, and I'll actually link those below. And I have an honorable mention, and the only reason I didn't put it in the top 10 is because this thing has been out so long, and probably most of you have it, and that's the bomber jacket. So big fellas, thank you guys for tuning in to another episode on my channel. Like, comment, and subscribe, and just remember, just because we're big don't mean we can't stay fly. Peace.